Julio, my friend, I feel like I'm at a luxury resort in Tulum.
Thank you.
Is the ocean right behind this pool? That's where I feel like I'm at.
Almost there, a couple steps away.
Yes!
The inspiration of this property was to design it with that bohemian style and that Tulum essence. When you come here, you're having a relaxing stay and you feel like you're in a private resort all to yourself. We wanted to make sure that the pool had a feel like you're walking into the beach, so we created that beach entry. We want to make sure you have the loungers. We want to make sure that you have the ability to take a nap under the cabanas. And then we have a large gathering space here. The idea is to bring large groups and come together as a family unit. We have these large custom-built tables that can be arranged in different directions. We have a putting green, the ping pong table, we have the air hockey, we have a pickleball court that also doubles as a volleyball court. Relaxation, that's the key here.
Yes.
You can take a nap in the hammock, hot spa, the fire pit that is all connected together so that when you're entertaining, you're not so far away from each other and you can have a conversation. Every decision that was made, there was a reason, a purpose, and a story behind it.
You've got a space that A, resort, B, retreat, C, family reunion. I can't wait to see the inside.
Let's go check it out.
Deal. Look at this, my friend. Resort outside, but also kind of spa, relaxation. It just feels good to be inside, you know what I mean?
A lot of hard work went into creating the interior space just as much as it went outside.
Right.
Our property has 6 bedrooms in total, and we sleep up to 19 guests. Suite 1 is more of a spa experience, so it's got a large open space that is intentionally left that way so that we can bring in our massage therapist. It relieves all your stresses away. So after your special massage is completed, you can just soak in the hot tub. Every single room is designed to give everybody a special feel. Not one room was left without giving them their own escape.
That's what makes it feel like a 5-star luxury resort. You haven't left any stone unturned.
You become immersed into the architecture. The focal point of the great room is going to have to be the fireplace. Opposite ends, you have on the kitchen, you have the stone. So the stone color, the texture, and the black accents sort of mirror the space. This table was custom built to fit the size. The chandelier above it was also built by us, by yours truly.
Are you telling me you did this by hand? Can I come around? Can I actually feel
Yeah,
it?
sure, go ahead. Many nights of weaving and tying the rope together to give it that look.
You have so much love and passion behind it, and it is showing.
The fact that I have control over the execution, not only design it, think about what I want, imagine it, sketch it, put it in place, but also build it.
There's something about a quality of an experience when you're in a home. Maybe you don't understand all the details, but they feel connected to you.
You feel comfortable, you just kind of want to relax or do whatever the intended purpose of the space is.
Yeah.
Sorry, Evan, you lost. But for everybody else that stays in our luxury resort villa, they're the winners.
I feel like one. Thanks, my friend.